Hi, my name is Paul Prescod. I'm running for Executive Board At-Large seat. I teach at Kensington Health Sciences Academy. I'm voting for Working Educators because when I first came in the district, I had veteran teachers telling me I shouldn't teach in the district. I saw young teachers around me quitting in their first year, and it just increasingly looks like this is not a sustainable job anymore. This is where I've seen people fighting, whether it's fighting, for nurses, fighting against school closings, fighting for a contract. These are the people that have really taught me skills that I can use in the union, and this is where I see the energy. If we stick with the status quo, I think it's going to be the same story of no contracts for 4 or 5 years, more staff that we're losing in schools, more charter schools. Now is the time that we need to stand up and join educators all around the country that are voting for a change and are really organizing their members to make improvements in our schools.